Hello, Starbright TV viewers. We got truly enchanting news to share with you. Today, the beloved stars Shu Kai and Chang Shao have celebrated their love in the most beautiful and meaningful way possible at a traditional wedding ceremony at a historical temple. Let's dive into all the details of their culture-rich and heart-feeling event. Shu Kai and Chang Shao both adore their incredible talent and on-screen chemistry, decided to honor their roots with a wedding that is a traditional as it's breathtaking. In a world where modern wedding often take center stage, this couple choose to embrace the timeless beauty of Chinese custom, making their union not only celebration of love but also a trip to their heritage. Center old temples surrounding by the scenery of nature and the deep cultural signification that only such a setting can provide. The temple ancient architect draw the intricate cave and rich history set the perfect backdrop for the special occasion. Dressing in traditional Chinese wedding attire, Shu Kai and Chang Shao look absolutely stunning. Chang Shao wore a beautiful, imposing chi pao, complete with a delicate Phenoxy crown symbolized prosperity, happiness. Shukai was equally dashing in his traditional grom robe, a symbol of respect and honor. The couple paid homage to ancient Chinese wedding costume, blending history with their modern love story. The ceremony was filled with symbolized ritual that have been passed down through Shukai and Changsha served tea to their elders as a sign of respect to their exchanging of vow under the watchful eye of their every moment was tapped in a traditional and meaning. The couple even performed the traditional three walk symbolized their respect for heaven and earth, their parents and each other. The event was attended by close family and friends, many from who were traditional attire as well, adding to the authoritical beauty of the occasion. The celebration was intimate, filled with the warmth of family and the blessing of loved one. The traditional wedding not only mark a new chapter in Shukai and Changsha life, but also serve as a beautiful reminder of importance of honoring one's root. It's celebration of love that transcends time, bleeding the past with the present in a way that's truly inspires. So, what do you think about Shuka and Changsha cultural union? Are you in chatting as we are this traditional wedding ceremony? Thoughts in the comment below for more update and exclusive content on Shuka and Changsha and your other favorite stars. Stay tuned to Starpar TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest birth. Thank you for watching.